look at me now. If I fuck with your nigga, he part of me down. He'll be blowing the bag if he ever was mine. This pussy talk Benjamin Franklin's now. Look at the drip in my step. Look at the Montclair, the T to the vest. Keep on me right.
YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And today, you guys, I'm going to try to do some eyelashes on myself. So, yeah, because I have a whole bunch of eyelashes and it's like, I need some with them. Hold on, let me get. So, I got them in this pink mesh bag thingy. There's a whole bunch of them. Like, I even got the itty bitty ones. I got a lot of lashes in here. Okay, and so I'm like, I'm gonna try it. Why not? Why not? What's the worst that can happen? It doesn't work. Or I go blind. Okay, we're gonna play. Seriously, y'all, play for me. It's not gonna be funny. But yeah, so I gotta look through them and see which ones I wanna do because I am going somewhere today. But I'm gonna pick and see which ones I wanna do, and I'll be back when I show you I'll be back when I pick which ones I want. I'm gonna use these right here, and then I have some extra ones, so that's good. And the glue that I'm going to use is called IMB Long Lasting Individual Adhesive. There we go. So this is the glue I'm going to be using. I got this a long time ago because I thought I was going to do some lashes, but it never happened. So yeah, it's brand new. So let's go ahead and get this start hit. These are the set of tweezers that I have. I have these they're like training lash tweezers, regular tweezers, and then I have some pointing tweezers. So yeah. Whew, I'm scared, y'all. So I'm gonna comb through my lashes. They're already clean. I did wash my face and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and comb through them and go ahead and get this started. You guys, this stuff is strong. I know you need a fan. Like, you might need a fan for this right here. So I'm gonna use my mouth. Ooh, Jesus. So they have long, 2 rows of medium and then a short. So I'm gonna do 2 long. And then I have 2 more long on here, so I'm gonna do probably this. Which one's longer? It looks like these are longer, so I'm gonna do 2 of these longs, these last 2, and then we're gonna go into the medium over here. I'm gonna put the glue on the top of the lash because I'm gonna put it underneath. If that don't make sense, I don't know. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a little bit tacky. I'm taking the glue off the line because that line is gonna be close to my eye, and I don't want my eye to, yeah. So it's starting to dry. It looks like it's starting to get a little bit tacky. So let's put it on. Hold up, because I'm freaking out. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and continue that same process, and I'll see you guys when I get to the medium. But I got both the long ones on, so now it's time to go to these 2 long ones on. This one. Hopefully they match. It still look good. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. Alright, you guys, so this is how my lashes look. I like them. I look cute. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is what I got. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you come back for more and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Kill all these bitches' careers like back to back. I was just small, but look at me now. If I fuck with your nigga, he part of me down. He'll be blowing the back.